Trello versus Asana side-by-side review and comparison. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be comparing Trello with Asana. We'll compare their pricing, different features to help us make an informed decision if Asana and Trello are the right choices for us to use for our project management or not. So let's get started. I will show you all the features of Trello.com and then we'll compare it to Asana.com side by side. I will give you an honest review and my opinion on these platforms, and we'll figure out that which one of these platform is better for you to use for your project management. Trello and Asana are world's leading project management softwares and CRM. You can avail all of these different features and tools that help you create your own workflow and your own workspace. You can go ahead and create your own boards, list, add tasks, and manage your team to get more productive. So let's start with Trello.com. What you have to do is you will simply go to Trello.com and you will land on this platform right here. Trello is one of the very famous project management software out there, and it has all of the basic tools and features for us. So the first thing is, of course, the signing up process. So you can see right here, signing up process is completely free on Trello and it's really easy as well. You simply type in your email address and then you can sign up. So simply type in your email address, whatever email address you want to go for, and you will be able to sign up for Trello. Let's check out the signing up process of Asana. I am actually going to be comparing them side by side to give you to these platforms. So signing up process for Asana.com. This is the website. Asana is also very famous and very professional project management software. So to sign up for Asana, we have two options right here. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address as well. So let's go ahead and sign up with our Google account for Asana. Once you sign up for Trello.com and Asana.com, then you will land in their dashboards, and then I will show you what the dashboard looks like and how we can use these dashboards. So before we get into the features and tools, let's go ahead and compare the pricing real quick so we will have an idea about the affordability of the platforms. So we have four pricing plan on Trello.com. This is the pricing plan of Trello. You can see right here we have a free plan which is going to be $0 and it is free for the whole team and free forever. Gives us unlimited cards and up to 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power-ups, and two-factor authentication. Then we have a standard plan, which is going to be $5 per user per month and $6 if billed annually. And you can see right here we have everything in the free plan, plus we have custom fields, advanced checklists, unlimited boards, and more. Then we have a premium, which is going to be $10 per user per month, and it is going to be $12.50 if billed monthly. And you can also get your dashboard views, calendar views, observers, collections, priority support, and more. Then we have an enterprise, which is going to be customized features for customized pricing. So this is the pricing plan for Trello. It is quite, cheap, and it's not that expensive, a very affordable platform. Let's compare it to Asana. So this is the pricing for Asana.com. It has three pricing plans for us. So we have a basic plan, which is going to be $0 and it is going to be free forever. And then we have a premium plan, which is going to be $10.99 per user per month, and it is going to be $13 if billed annually. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be $24.99, almost $25, and it is going to be $30 if billed monthly. So this is the pricing plan for Asana. All of the features are listed below, and the free plan is available on Trello as well. So that's a good thing. And then if we talk about the pricing plan, so you can see right here that Trello is actually cheaper than Asana because we are also getting a $5 plan, and then there is this premium plan. But on Asana we have like direct premium, which is $11. Like the premium plan are actually there's not much difference, but yeah, you can see right here that Asana is a little expensive then Trello. You can go ahead and sign up for any of these platforms right now and start managing your team right now. Let's go ahead and check out the features and different tools that we get. So up first we have Trello.com. So right now I have signed up for Trello and this is the view that you get. We have a lot of different boards available and you can create your own workspace. So let's go ahead and create a new workspace, and then I will show you how to create different boards and how to create lists in those boards. So simply click right here, workspace. It will allow you to create a new workspace. You give your workspace a name, any name you want to. Let's go ahead and call it the social guide. Then we have a workspace type. You can select any type of workspace. All of the workspaces are available on Trello, such as sales, CRM, marketing, education, small business, and others. Let's go with small business. Then we have workspace description. You will simply add a description and continue. Then you have to simply add your members. We'll do that later. And we will simply get our own workspace right here. So let's go ahead and add a board as well. So I'm going to select this board and I'm going to go ahead and create board from this template. Let's go ahead and call it. So this is our basic dashboard that we get on Trello. So these are going to be my workspaces. I can switch between my workspaces if I want to. We can invite someone from this option right here. Simply click on share and it will allow you to add different people. So this is my board view. I can also go ahead and switch between different views. We have timeline view available. We have table view, calendar view, dashboard, and map. If we talk about Asana and if we talk about the views available on Asana, so we get timeline, board, calendar. So the views on Trello are also available in Asana. On Trello, we're also getting a map view, which is not available in Asana. You have to actually integrate your Google Maps in order to get the map view. But on Trello, we're getting this option right here. So this is our board right here. Let me show you how to create a list. You can simply scroll between your different lists that you have already created. To add another list, you will find the option right here. Simply click right here. Let's go ahead and add a list known as to do. There you go. To add a card, simply click right here and type in your task name. Let's call it task 1, add card. Let's open it up and let me show you what are the different tools we get. So this is my task. I can go ahead and add description. I can add members. I can add labels. To create a new label, you simply click right here, add name, give color, and click on create. Then I can add dates, the due dates. Let's add a date for tomorrow and click on save. We can add attachments or add a cover to our task right here. And then you will simply close the task. There you go. Our new task has been created on Trello. So this is how you create a task. Then we are getting our own workspace option right here. Then we have automation, we have power-ups and calendar power-ups as well, where I will get different automation options such as rules, buttons, and email reports. And then we have power-ups that allows us to add different power-ups to make our Trello experience more customizable. Let's go ahead and check out Asana. When it comes to Asana, we have our own workflow builder, we have app integrations, and automation option is also available. So we're getting the automation on Trello as well, and automation is available on Asana. When it comes to app integrations, we are getting the power-ups in Trello and we're getting the integrations in Asana. When it comes to reporting, we're also getting the reporting option right here on Trello as well. Then if we talk about the use cases, you can use Trello for small businesses, marketing, and your team. You can also use it for CRM. If you want to, build your Trello into CRM, you can select a board and add different power-ups. If we talk about the use cases of Asana can be used for a large business as well. That's actually a difference between Trello and Asana, that on Trello, you can use it for small businesses, but Asana is very professional and you can also use it for large businesses. And then we are also getting our own desktop and mobile app. Trello is also available as a mobile app. To add people, you simply add them by their email address on Trello. And even on Asana, if you want to add someone, you will simply add them by their email address. So the platforms are very easy to use. And when it comes to, being beginners friendly, then both of these platforms are pretty beginners friendly. And Asana and Trello both have all of the basic tools and features for you to manage your team better and to get more productive. You can create boards and lists on Asana and then add tasks and then add deadlines and labels, whatever you want to. And similar options are also available on Trello. So, yeah, guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know the basic difference between Trello and Asana. I wanted to give you an overview that what are the major differences, and I wanted to show a comparison between Trello and Asana. You can go ahead and check them out right now. The signing up process is really easy, and you can simply sign up for a plan that suits you the best to manage your team. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.